A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will start third lecture of chapter 12 Linear Programming Problem. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed the introduction related to LPP and some definition related to LPP. So now in today's lecture I will start the questions related to theory of LPP and exercise 12.1 questions related to maximize or minimize. So question is, question number 1 is, solve the following linear programming problems graphically. Means we have solved the given inequalities graphically. So question is, maximize z is equal to z is equal to 3x plus 4 3x plus 4y subject to constraint constraint is x plus y is less than 4, x is greater than equal to 0, x is greater equal to 0 and y is greater equal to 0. So this is the given set of constraint, and this question has already come in boards 2015. So let us start. Solution. The given objective function z is equal to 3x plus 4y, and x is greater equal to 0. When you will draw on graph or show on axis, show on graph, so you will see x-axis, y-axis, and this is origin. So x is greater than 0 left to the y-axis, and y is greater than 0 upper region of x-axis. So x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. This is the region where x is greater than 0 or y is greater equal to 0. This is first quadrant, and x plus y is equal to 4. Since x plus y is less than equal to 4, this implies x plus y is equal to 4. Line passing through 4, 0 and 0, 4. 4, 0 and 0, 4. So suppose this is the line. Its equation is x plus y is equal to 4. Now A is the intersection point with x-axis, B is the intersection with y-axis. So 0, 4 is here, and now 4, 0 is here, and this is less. So x is greater than 0, this region, and y is greater equal to 0, this region, and x plus y is less than 4, this region. So now this is the region. So we get the three corner points. This is corner points OAB. So I am writing here corner point means CP is OAB. O coordinate is 0, 0, A coordinate is 4, 0, and this is 0, 4. Now see the table of corner points. This is the table of corner points. Corner points, and corner point is given 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 4, and z is equal to 3x plus 4y. So when you will put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0, you will get z is equal to 0 and x is equal to 4, y is equal to 0, so you will get 12, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4, you will get 16. So there are 4 values of z. You see 3 values of z, 0, 12 and 16. So z is maximum at 0, 4 and maximum value is 16. So since z is maximum at, this is 0, 4, that is B, and optimum value that will be 40. See, so we can write optimal solution is x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. See, now I will come to the next question. The next question is, now question number 2 is maximize z is equal to 5x plus 3y, z is equal to 5x plus 3y, and subject to constraint and constraint is 3x plus 5y is less than 15. 3x plus 5y is less than equal to 15 and 5x plus 2y is less than equal to 10. 5x plus 2y is less than equal to 10 and x is greater equal to 0 and y is greater equal to 0. X is greater equal to 0 and y is greater equal to 0. So this is the set of constant, and a given objective function z is equal to 5x plus 3y, and we have to draw two lines whose equations are given. 3x plus 5y is equal to 15 and 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. We have to draw this graph. So see, since 3x plus 5y is less than equal to 15, this implies 3x plus 5y is equal to 15. So you will get points. Point is you will get a 5, 0 and this is considered P, and Q points will be 0, 3 after converting the intercept form. Now again second equation, 5x plus 2y is less than equal to 10. This implies 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. Now result will be 2, 0 plus 0, 5 will be the points. Suppose this is R and S. This is R and this is S. 0, 5. Now we have to draw these points. This is x axis, this is y axis, this is origin 0, 0, and now we have to draw these points or this line. To draw this line or these inequalities or this line, you have to search the point 5, 0 and 0, 3, or mark the point 5, 0 and 0, 3. So 5, 0 and 0, 3, suppose this is the 5 and this is 0, 3. This is the 5 and 0, 3. See. Now suppose this is the point P, coordinate is 5, 0. P coordinate is 5, 0. This is the point, and Q point is 0, 3. So Q point is approx 0, 3 is here. So this is point Q, coordinate is 0, 3. Now you have to draw the line. So this is the line. Now we have to draw 2, 0 and 0, 5. So 2, 0 is here and 0, 5 is offside. This is the point R, 2, 0, and this is point S, 0, 5. Now x is greater or equal to 0, that is positive x axis, and y is greater or equal to 0, positive y axis. So this will be in first quadrant. So upside first quadrant. So this will be the region. Now this is the point R and this is the point O. Suppose this is the point T and this is point Q. So we have to find out T coordinates. So with the help of simultaneous linear equation in two variables, 3x plus 5y is equal to 15 and 5x plus 2y is equal to 10, consider equation 1, equation 2. So solving equation 1 and 2, you will get, solving equation 1 and 2, what you will get? You will get the intersection point. And what will be the intersection point? Solving equation 1 and equation 2, x is equal to and y is equal to, you will get, what is x is? X value you will get 20 by 19, 20 by 19, and the y, you will get y value is 45 by 19. So there are two possible values, one possible values of t means ordered pair. Ordered pair is 20 by 19, comma 45 by 19. This is the point. Now we have to draw or make the corner points table. See, so corner points is corner points O00, ORTQ means OR, R coordinate is 2, 0 and the Q coordinate is 0, 3 and T coordinate is 20 by 19, comma 45 by 19. So this is the corner points. Now I have to check maximized or minimized of objective function. So 0, 0, 2, 0 and 0, 3 and 20 by 19, 45 by 19, this is the corner points. So make the table. Z is equal to given, that is 5x plus 3y, and this is the corner points, and corner point is O 0, 0, R 2, 0, Q 0, 3. Now T coordinate 20 by 19, 45 by 19. Now this is the four corner points, and when you will put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, you will get z is equal to 0, and in case what you will get at 2, 0, you will get 10. So 5 2s are 10. Now 0, 3, you will get z is equal to 9, and t is equal to 20, 9, 20 by 19, 45 by 19. So see, what will be the calculation? 20 by 19 into 5 means 5 into 20 by 19 plus 3 into 45 by 19, and the calculation will be, this is 100, this is 135, means 235 by 19, 235 by 19, and 235 by 19, what will be its value? So after solving value, you will get 19 ones are 19 and 4, 45, 19 twos are 38. Next 7, decimal 0, 19 threes are 57. Next 13. Now you can consider 7. So z is equal to 12.37. 12.37. Now 12.37 is the maximum value. So z is maximum. at x is equal to 20/19 and y is equal to 45/19. Now I will come to the next question. The next question is maximize or minimize the function. Minimize capital Z is equal to x plus 2y, x plus 2y, subject to constraint constraint is given 2x plus y is greater or equal to 3. 2x plus y is greater or equal to 3 and x plus 2y is greater or equal to 6. X plus 2y is greater or equal to 6 and xy is greater or equal to 0. Xy is greater or equal to 0. So we have to draw these inequalities. So given function, objective function z is equal to x plus 2y, z is equal to x plus 2y, and set of constant 2x plus y is greater or equal to 3 and x plus 2y is greater or equal to 6. So in terms of equation 2x plus y is equal to 6, 3 and x plus 2y is equal to 6. Now you will get the points here. Point is 2/3, 0 or 3/2, 0. You will get points 3/2, 0 and 0, 3, and through this point or intersection, x intersection or y intersection means x intercept or y intercept, you will get 6, 0 and 0, 3. 0, 3. Now we have to draw this line. See, this is x axis, this is y axis. So 3/2, 0 and 0, 3. 3/2 value is 1.5. So 1.5, 0 and 0, 3, this will be the line, means 2x plus y is equal to 3 and x plus 2y is equal to 6. This is the point 1.5, this is 3 and this is 6, 0. So 6, 0 and 0, 3 is here. This will be the line. Now we are talking about less than 0 or greater than 0. So this is greater than. So region, shaded region will be this region. Here we can show 2x plus y is greater or equal to 3 and x plus 2y is greater or equal to 6. This is the region. And now we have the corner points. This is corner point, suppose this is P, this is Q. This is P and this is Q. And P coordinates, you will see 6, 0 and the Q coordinate is 0, 3. So P and Q, there are 2 points at which points the function attained the minimum values. So there are 2 points P and Q. P coordinates you got, this is corner points and corner point value is 6, 0 and Q coordinate is 0, 3. This is the points. And at 6, 0 value of z will be, at the place of x you will put 6 and 0. So 6 into or 6 plus 0 result you will get 6. Now add 0, 3, 0, 3 z will be equal to, at the place of x you will put 0 and y you will put 3. So you will get 6. Now these two values are same, means the function is minimum at both values. 6, we can say 6, 0 and 0, 3. See. So both values are same, not minimum, not maximum. So we can write z is minimum at 6, 0 and 0, 3. 6, 0 and 0, 3. This is the point where objective function is minimum at 6, 0 and 0, 3. So this will be the answer. So optimal solution for z to be minimum that is zero, 3 and 6, 0. See. Now this question is question number 3, not question number 2. And this is the feasible reason. You can see. Now maximize or minimize topic is totally completed. Now I will come to the words problems in the next lecture.